is going to be exactly the way the Bible it describes it. Not America, not France, not China. France, not France, not Turkey, not whatever. But here we are talking about a beast that is intertwined and connected to the heads. This beast is really connected to the heads, and also the rulers and authorities will be there. Yes, those horns, they symbolizes the rulers and the kings, and musho o mogolo gampe o kopanetse wa kopaneng. I know America. Now we are already seeing the character of the beast in the shape up a little bit. How do we see that? Now these days we have the so-called corporations or the